Once upon a time there was a green and beautiful forest, and there was a dinosaur walking through that forest. He was really happy with how wonderful the forest is, and he could smell the fresh air, and he could feel the wind blowing at his face. He was so happy. Can you tell me, who is this dinosaur? What's the name of this dinosaur? Hi, I'm Annie. Annie the Ankylosaurus. As you can see, I have loads of bony growths on my back and very bony tail. That's for my protection. I can always go swish, 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 and no one can attack me and succeed. I'm very, very good at protecting myself. The only way someone could ever get to me is on my belly, which is quite soft. But don't worry, I'm not gonna roll over. Okay, I'm just gonna walk through the forest and enjoy how wonderful this forest is. And then Annie saw another dinosaur. Oh, hello, Annie. Hello. Haven't seen you for a while. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. And you, how is your day? I'm just enjoying this forest. Look how wonderful and green it is. And smell the wonderful and fresh air. It's so nice to be out here. Oh, hi, Annie. Hello. How are you? I'm all right, thank you very much. Oh, let me introduce you to my friend. This is Deinonychus. Denny Deinonychus. And this is Trisha Triceratops. Hello, Denny. Hello, Trisha. Oh, I see you enjoy this forest, just the way I do. Yes, it's very green. It's so wonderful to be in such a green forest. Yes, but then the dinosaurs overheard this noise. Oh, what is this noise? Trisha, do you know? No, it sounds like someone is snoring. It's not me. I'm not sleeping. No, it's definitely not me. Who could it be? Let's have a look around. Let's have a look around. I believe there is some kind of animal right over there. It's same color as the Triceratops. Can you see that animal? Yeah, it's right there, on the right side. Who could it be? Do you know? Do you know an animal that is red colored? Let's have a look. Let me move the bush so we know that he's no danger, okay? I'm not gonna wake him up, just gonna move the bush. Oh! Oh, do you recognize this animal now? I believe it's fox. It's red fox. It's sleeping. Oh, who dares to wake me up? Oh, we do apologize. We just wondered who you are. I'm a red fox. My name is Phil. How are you doing, everyone? Are you friendly? Oh, yes. We are very, very friendly dinosaurs. Don't worry about us. Are you just enjoying a little nap? Yes. Please leave me in peace. I had very busy day. I was hunting for some meat, believe me or not. And then I ate some fruits, because I'm an omnivore. Oh, okay, excuse us, Fox, then. We shall leave you in peace now. Okay. I'm just gonna go back to my little nap. See you later then, Fox. Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh wow, what is this noise? Woohoo! Woohoo! Who are you? Please come out. Woohoo! Woohoo! Fru, 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 fru. Who are you? Hello, I'm Ollie the owl. Oh, hello there, Ollie. What brings you here? I was just flying by and I saw you three. It's very unusual to see three dinosaurs walking through the forest. Yes, we are very special dinosaurs, you see. We just enjoy this fresh air and the green trees and grass. It's nice to see you. It's nice to see you too. Well, I should probably get going. Okay, remember, I'm an owl. I shall see you later, guys. Frou, 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 frou. The owls usually sleep in the day, don't they? Yes, they do sleep during the day and they hunt during the night. They are carnivores. They only eat meat. Yes, so small insects and perhaps some mice. That's what owls eat. Oh, it's good to know, Deinonychus. Thanks for the information. Ah, that's quite all right, Trisha. Thank you. And then the dinosaurs were ready to move on, but they saw something walking their way, walking towards them. Oh, hello, three dinosaurs. I'm Hedgehog, Henry the Hedgehog. How are you today? Hi, I'm Ankylosaurus. Annie, my name is. I'm Triceratops, Trisha. And I'm Deinonychus, Danny. How are you today, guys? Are you enjoying this wonderful forest? Oh, we do. It's absolutely marvelous. You tell me about it. I usually live here. Oh, well, I'm quite late for my dinner, so I should really get going. I shall see you later. Yes, hedgehogs eat both fruits and meat, so they are omnivores. Omnivores. Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Oh, what is this now? Can you hear this noise? Rabbit, 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 rabbit. Oh, hello, frog. Hello. I'm Foggy the Frog. How are you? Oh, yeah, very well. Nice to see you. You are very, very green. It's very difficult to spot you. If you weren't moving, we wouldn't know you are here. I know, it's part of my camouflage. Okay, I should better get going. I shall see you later, dinosaurs. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Oh, I can't believe it. We see another forest creature. What is your name? Who are you? Oh, hi, I'm just a squirrel. How are you? It's not very often that you see three dinosaurs walking through this forest. Yes, we are very unique dinosaurs, especially that I'm carnivore and those two are herbivores. We usually are not friends, the kind of dinosaurs we are, but this time we actually manage to stay friends, regardless of the differences. Oh, it's good to hear. I'm actually omnivore, so I eat both meat and vegetables, fruits, plants. I enjoy them all. I especially enjoy some nuts and some acorns. As you can see, I even have one in my little hands. But anyway, it was nice to see you guys. I shall see you later. Bye bye. And that's how the squirrel went away. Bye bye, squirrel. And there comes another one, another forest animal. Who can tell me what sort of animal this is? Can you tell me the name of this animal? It's a little rabbit. Like Peter Rabbit. But it's not Peter Rabbit, is it? Hello, how are you? Little rabbit, how are you? I'm very well, thank you for asking. I'm just skipping my way through the forest. I'm very glad to see you, but if you forgive me, I must go now. I have some grass to eat and some vegetables. I'm herbivore. It was very nice to see you, 3 dinosaurs. 1, 2, and 3. Well, I will certainly remember this day. I met 3 dinosaurs in the forest. Oh, I will see you soon then. Oh, it was very, very nice to meet all those forest animals. So, if you ever meet them in the forest, you will remember their names and what sort of animals they are, won't you? Okay, but for now we must go. We are very busy and our parents are waiting for us. You take care and behave well. We shall see you later. Yes, if you could, please do subscribe. Bye bye, see you next time.